Hello? Hi, Emily.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Emily, I was thinking something.
Oh, really? What are you thinking about?
I feel a little bored today. Do you want to go somewhere together?
Somewhere? That sounds interesting.
Yes, maybe we can go to a park today.
A park? That's a great idea. I love parks.
Me too. Parks make me feel relaxed and happy.
So, which park are we going to?
I was thinking about Central Park in New York City.
Central Park? Wow, that park is very famous and very beautiful.
Yes, it's in the middle of the city. But when you're inside, it feels peaceful.
I've seen pictures of it. Green trees, walking paths, lakes, and people smiling everywhere.
Exactly. It's a perfect place to talk, walk, and enjoy the day.
Okay, then. Let's meet near the Central Park South entrance.
Great, I'll get ready now.
Me too. See you soon.
I want to look nice today. Maybe a clean shirt and comfortable shoes.
I'll wear something simple but beautiful. Comfortable clothes are best for walking. Hi, Alex. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready too. Let's call a private car.
Okay, I'll book one now.
Good morning. Where would you like to go?
Good morning. We're going to Central Park, New York City.
Sure, the fare will be $25.
That's fine.
Yes, thank you.
The weather's so nice today.
Yes, sunny days make everything better.
Do you come to parks often?
Not often, but I want to come more. Life feels busy sometimes.
That's true. We need breaks to enjoy small moments.
I'm really happy we planned today.
Me too, Alex.
We have arrived, Central Park.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Wow, it's even more beautiful in real life.
Yes, look at the trees and the open space.
I already feel calm.
Hello. 2 tickets, please.
Yes, 2 tickets.
Here you go. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Look at those swings.
And the big green field. It feels like nature is hugging the city.
That's a nice way to say it.
Sometimes, simple places bring the biggest happiness.
Let's walk near the lake.
Good idea.
The water looks so peaceful.
Yes, I could sit here for hours.
Me too. Life feels slow here. I'm feeling a little hungry.
Perfect timing. Look, an ice cream shop.
Yay, let's go.
Hello, what would you like?
1 vanilla ice cream, please.
And 1 chocolate ice cream.
Here you go. Enjoy.
This tastes so good.
Ice cream always makes me smile.
Same here. Small things bring big joy.
I'm really glad we came today.
Me too. Today feels special.
Emily, thank you for coming with me.
Thank you for inviting me.
Good friends make life better.
Yes, friendship is very important.
I hope we do this again.
We will, for sure. It's time to go home.
Yes, but today was really nice.
I'll remember this day. Thank you, Alex. I had a wonderful day.
Me too, Emily. Take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.